Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I would like to show you how to install and configure Shoot Pro on a client computer. This video assumes that you already have installed Shoot Pro on a server and have set it up, as well as you have already downloaded the Shoot Pro installer. If you have questions on how to do either of these, please review the server standalone installation video for Shoot Pro. First things first, I'm going to open the Shoot Pro installer. When Windows asks me if I want to allow it to run, I'm going to select yes. I'm going to accept the license agreement and click Next. Underneath the Select Component screen, I am going to select Client Installation, then select Next. I'm going to click Next until Shoot Pro begins installing on this computer. A few black boxes may appear. You can simply ignore them. Just let them complete before proceeding. Now you see the setup screen. Select No. I will restart the computer later, then select Finish. Now go back to the server. Click on the Windows key in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Then select Settings. Go to System, then scroll down to the very bottom where it says About. You will need to copy the computer name. Then go back to the client. Back on the client, open File Explorer, then go to This PC, then go to Local Disk C. Next, go to 3S, then Shoot Pro, then go to the Data folder. Find server_hostname and double-click. Now, type in your server PC's name. Now go to File, Save, then go to File, Exit. Now we need to find the name of this client computer. In the lower left-hand corner, click on the Windows flag. Then go to Settings. Go to System, then scroll down to About. You will need to record the device name. Now, go back to the server. Now on the server, go to File menu, number 9, Network Configuration. Click the red plus button, then in the upper leftmost box right above Name, paste or type in the name of the computer that you are adding to the network. Then, in the next box over, select Workstation. Finally, select which permission group it is in. For my case, I'm going to select Level 1 User. Then I'm going to press the green check mark, then click Close. Now reopen Shoot Pro, then go to File menu, number 8, Permissions. Here underneath Level 1 Users, I can see what permissions are going to be assigned to that computer. Now click Close. Go back to the client computer. On the client, go ahead and close everything that's already open. Then open Shoot Pro. As you can see, it came up and it is connected to the server. That's all it takes to get Shoot Pro networked together on a client. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportssoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.